Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about the beard, and I'm going to teach you step by step that you can style your beard at home. No need to waste your time on the barber, or still you have some event or some party going on and you or some maybe friends wedding and you just been busy and you have no time, but you have 1 hour left. So I'm going to teach you how to quickly, how they say, quickly or fastest way that you can trim your beard and look very sharp and looks very good. And yes guys, so I'm going to take you step by step, which is we're going to line up on the neck area, this area, and we're going to line up on these chin areas and make the perfect line that is suitable. And yes guys, and the last one is going to be on the cheek area on this way, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do the trimming, like fading trimming on this side as well, like fade in and keeping this side long. That's what I do because I like it in this way. I feel like it's more suitable for me, and yes, why not if you give a try with this beard style. So without further ado, let's get back to the video. Trimming on our this neck area, which is you have to have the trimmer, because in this video I'm going to use two machine of the beard trimming. So first one is going to be this. If you don't know how to use the blade, because I use blade, and I'm going to do another video about how you can shave your beard with that blade thing, and there is a lot of technique, I mean, in that one. So yes guys, that's another video. But yes, so you need this trimmer, which is a bit blade is a little bit sharper. So you're going to start from the neck area, which is you're going to take 2 fingers, so from the Adam apple like this, and whatever the lines goes, like this finger lines, you're going to take the line to the last like this, okay? So it's going to be very easy. Still I'm going to do it, so like this. I'm going to take all of these hairs out. Let me show you on the side. It's very hard to do, but and there you go, on this side as well. You have to follow the line. I don't have hair, but this is the technique that I use, like, to get it. So I still don't have much hair on here, it's growing. So yes guys, this is the part 1, and we're going to do this, on the chin area, which is this area, and this part, which is on the bottom of your lips. On this area we have to be careful a lot, because if you not be careful, you can take out of the most of the hair. So I have to be zoom in. So I would like to do it in this way, yeah. So I'm taking this side as well. By the way, it's a little difficult because I'm looking on the camera thing and doing it. That's why I'm not used to it. I need a mirror, but I cannot. So there you go, you just trim this area on this part, and it's time for the third one, which is this part. So the third part, which is going to be on top of your cheek area, this area, and see, my beard goes like this until here. Like I have a lot of beard on this side, but guys, trust me, don't trim this until here, because you don't need to look like an idiot I've heard of friends back in the day, they used to tell me, oh, why you like your beard is very up, bring them down, because I believe they were jealous because they never had those type of beard, this type of look which is up. If you know Jita Chat, he's one of the most masculine man, which is illusion, it's not real, but he got this type of beard type which is up there. So that's a very good, I would say it's very masculine, it's very unbelievable. But yes guys, you don't need to go very down, but on this line, as you can see from here, it's coming here. All you take just to go slowly down, and just clean this top area. That's all it is. Yeah, on the same side, on this side as well. I really can't see very well, but it's okay. And then cleaning all of these top area. On this stage we done our cheek area and chin area and our neck area, which is very cleaned up, lined up. And now it's time to make them even more sharper from trimming on the cheek area, this side, and from this bottom side to create the illusion having a nice jaw, I think, because it's very good to have, and keeping this area a little bit puffy because of the creating this square jaw type. So I'm going to use 3mm and 10mm. So without the further ado, let's get back again. This time I'm using this one because the trimmer has no head, which is very small head, so it does not use what do you call it, not good for me. But let's do this one. So I'm going to use 10mm to fade this side. So okay, this side done, and now we're going to take the 3mm for our this top area. So I already did it because that's why there is not a lot is going on. And the mustache as well, the same 3mm you're going to use for mustache. And yes guys, and this one as well, you're going to use the what do you call it, I have to pick it up now. Okay, so you use this one from here as well to make it little bit trimmed. How they say it, on this area we're going to go not like this, but we go like this, because if you go like this it will trim them like this. I hope this makes sense. But yeah, because we use the 10mm on this area on jawline to go up, but now we're going to use again the 10mm, but we're going to go on this area down. So in order to give us little bit of thickness here and long, so your jaw looks a little bit square and nice. So you're going to go as you can see, it's a little bit of very simple guys. And yes guys, this is my humble tutorial tutorial for you for the beard, which is very simple, and you can do it anytime, anywhere you go, which is if you carry the machine, if you go to travel as well. It's very simple, guys. Oh, by the way, let me cover this out as well. I started to use 3mm on my mustache because I wanted something new, some new look to trim them up, but you can go like 6mm is good to give it a little bit of thickness as well. It's very good. And yeah, guys, I hope you liked it, and why not to give a try to look a little bit different, maybe a little bit unique, I don't know, but that's what I do every time when I do the sharpness my beard and stuff. This is my way that I do every single time. If you look at my picture, they are mostly the same. And yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and if you got any question, please let me know in the comment section, and it will be a very good thing. And yes, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your family and friends. And yes, guys, and see you to the next time, and peace.